Greetings everybody, Forrest Nace here of the American Steam Railroad, bringing to you our December 2021 update.
With the caps and gaskets all installed on the sides of the firebox wrapper sheets, volunteers applied the boiler primer and paint. With the firebox virtually complete, our contractors and volunteers moved on to the firebox's combustion chamber area. Here, old sleeve repairs that no longer meet today's spec were removed. After reviewing the old repairs, it was determined that the bowl portion of the sleeve was fine, as well as the stay bolt installed in it. With that, only the sleeves, thread, and gasket seat portions were removed, and new half sleeves were purchased to renew the thread and gasket seat areas. A new gasket and cap will then also be installed, completing the permanent repairs to the combustion chamber area.
So everybody, that's what we've been able to accomplish here in December of 2021 on the Reading 2100. We want to thank our members, our generous donors, our professional contractors, and our good friends here at the Midwest Railway Preservation Society. And don't forget to check out our all-new website, along with those new Beanie 2100 hats for wintertime. Thank you.